How to recover Snapchat streak without paying. To restore a Snapchat streak for free, you may follow up this process. So you may head over to your chats for that, and once you are headed over here, you will be finding the section right here. And if you have broken the streak here, it will be finding option to restore. So you can check the restore icon right here, right beside the chat. In that way, you can recover Snapchat streak without paying. You'll be having 5 streak recover in 1 month. So you can follow up that process. Or what you can do is you can just go ahead and access the help center. For that, look out for your profile in the top left, tap on it. And from here, once you open your profile, go to settings at the top and access it. From here, you may just scroll down and go over to help center and tap on it, or you can tap on this I have lost my snapstreak. So you may just go ahead and follow up the process, and you can just go over to restore your snapstreak. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and fill out the form to feel the streak. So you can tap on I lost my streak, and there you can just go ahead and fill out the form. So you can tap on this fill this form, and when you go ahead and tap on it, it will provide you with a form. Once you provide in your username, email address, your mobile number, and chat with a friend with whom you would like to restore your streak, you can just go ahead and tap on submit and the date the streak was lost. And you can just go ahead and add any other relevant information or details about the situation in the description box. And Snapchat support will review your request, and if your streak is recently expired and meets their criteria, they may restore it for you. So this is the only possible way if you'd like to recover your Snapchat streak without paying. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.